Hey everyone, I wanted to address a question I get asked quite a bit, and that is, what is the difference between Graybo composite material and some of our competitors' composite material? Well, first I'd like to talk a little bit about our material in general. When we set out to make a stock, or any product for that matter, we do it with material first in mind. So what does that mean? We have an end result that we're shooting for, but it all starts with formulation of the material itself. So we want certain properties in a product, we formulate that into the material before it's even mixed and hardened. So I think that's something that we do above and beyond what other companies do. We can change our material formulations whenever we choose to fit whatever type of need is necessary. We also use the most advanced resins, hardeners, and additives. We make sure that we stay on top of that and we're bringing our customer the best. Second, I think there's a difference between the way we mold and the way other companies mold. Traditionally, composites in our industry are molded by hand, or what's called the hand laid up process, and that requires kind of a stuffing of the stock itself, and that will allow air to get trapped in the material, and you can see air bubbles and there's potentials for voids and things like that. For us, we're able to actually compress the material into the mold, which makes for a completely homogeneous stock. And as you see here, I have one that I've cut up, and you can see that there is really no air voids, no pockets, no nothing, completely homogeneous, and the end result will be a much better, much more solid, much more reliable stock. There are other competitors of ours who also fill their stock with foam. Our stock is not filled with foam. It will never be filled with foam. It is a completely homogeneous composite mixture made specifically with the end result in mind and made with a completely compression type molding process that gets all the air out and that maximizes all of those strengths. So I hope that answers your questions. Thanks for watching.